Bottlenose dolphins are very intelligent and charismatic. They use echolocation to communicate by making clicks and whistle noises. These sounds bounce off objects and to other dolphins, and that's how they communicate. Bottlenose dolphins are part of the family Delphinidae. There are 44 species, including killer whales and other types of whales. There are 39 ocean dolphins and 5 river dolphins. Bottlenose dolphins are a part of the ocean dolphin species. Bottlenose dolphins are mammals. They can live up to 40 to 50 years in the wild, but in captivity they only live 5 years. They travel in groups called pods of about 2 to 15. The reason for this is because the more they have, the harder it is to feed the whole group, so they have to only have a less amount, but when they have a small amount, it's harder to protect the whole group. They grow from lengths of 10 to 14 feet, and they weigh around 450 pounds. They weigh which is around 200 kilograms. They are most well known for their intelligence and their charismatic personalities. They have a curved mouth, which gives them a permanent smile and a friendly appearance. They are overwhelmingly playful and active and friendly. They are the stars of many aquarium shows because they're so intelligent. They can learn very complex tricks, and this makes them great stars for the aquariums, but living in this aquarium really shortens their lifespan by a great number, and it affects the ecosystem. They affect the ecosystem because they consume a wide variety of fish and squid. This is positive because they don't focus on one ecosystem or on one species, which allows all the species to grow. They absorb pollutants, and this helps scientists identify issues in their habitat because they're more friendly and easier to study, so scientists can study these animals and find what's wrong because they absorb pollutants, and this in the long run helps scientists to focus on an area and make the water better and pollution. And they prey mostly on the old and ill fish, which allows new and young fish to grow and reproduce and grow bigger. Dolphins have been known to save humans when coming to shark attacks or drowning or other situations. Todd Andrus was in California. He was surfing. He was attacked by a shark, got bit twice, and then he claimed a pod of about 10 dolphins came and encircled him and allowed him to swim to shore to safety. And the 5 British scuba divers were lost at the Red Sea. Their ship was damaged, and rescuers said they followed a pod of dolphins to them, and that's how they found them. And then I have a video on Adam Walker.
Index was trending here on a Sunday night, starting with the frightening moments for British long-distance swimmer Adam Walker on a 16-mile swim off New Zealand, encountering a great white shark swimming beneath him. But he got another big surprise, a pod of 10 dolphins you could see in the water there, quickly surrounding him until the shark swam off, seeming to protect him. And Walker, by the way, was actually swimming to raise money for whale and dolphin conservation.
So Walker claimed that the dolphins swam with him for about an hour until the shark disappeared, and then they disappeared, but he says they saved his life. Dolphins also help save endangered species because they prey on the old and ill. This allows the young and to reproduce and grow, and then this allows other species to prey on these young and new species, which in the long run just benefits the ecosystem by helping everything grow. And it's been proven that removing them from the ecosystem is very bad for the ecosystem because they are a great part of it. And dolphins are also being used to track endangered species. They find these endangered species, and then scientists can focus on them and protect them and hopefully keep them from going extinct. And dolphins are also used in the military for military uses, such as finding foreign submarines and bombs and other things. And in conclusion, dolphins bottlenose dolphins in specific are very important to our ecosystem. They help it grow and have a very big part in it, and removing them has shown to have very bad effects. They are very intelligent and charismatic and very friendly, but having them in captive does not allow them to support our ecosystem, and I don't believe that we should keep them in captive because it shortens their life and it's really not fair to them. And they're extremely sophisticated and advanced, and humans hope one day to be able to communicate with them.